back to the channel. So it's really early. It's 5:59 as you can see. So you can kind of already guess I'm going to the car meet. Also sorry to my neighbors for the loud cold start. You can hear it in the background, but it should go away soon. All right, there you go. Anyways, we're going to basically the Cars and Coffee Diamond Bar, but they got relocated, so they have a different name, but it's the same meet. But this time around, we're going with about 30 to 40 Mazdas. Really excited to see what's gonna come out, and just to, you know, hang out with fellow Mazda owners. We have a lot more variety this time. We got a few RX-7s, you know, the CX-9s, the 6s, the 3s, and a good amount of Miatas. So we're gonna have a little pre-meet before we go to the actual location. So that's where I'm headed right now. I'll see you guys when I'm there. That's your homie? Dude, this is lit. Angel's freaking like an hour late, dog. I'm gonna get you. Yo, these boys pulled up deep, man.
Hey, what about this Lexus too? It's not visually away from it. Oh, frick, I didn't even see that one.
Here we have the Miata line. Surprisingly, they filled up about 10 spots. There are no NBs or NCs in sight. Hopefully the next meet we can get some different generations of the Miata, but we got a bunch of NDs and a lot of NAs. All of them really clean. Check out this B on this NSX. He's chilling. Almost didn't see him. It's kind of camouflaged. Got Justin over here taking pictures. This guy just revved, so hopefully he does a pull or something. Got these two Ferraris. You got the 430 and then there's a 360, I believe, in the back. You're dumb, Derek. Come on now. He's dipping. But we also have this line of Porsches. It's really nice. 720 in that corner. 650 right here. Got this R32 pulling up. Let me back up for your phone. Bye Miatas. Oh my god, where did all these bikers come from? This dude right here in the GTR, he doesn't have friends, he only has family. Oh, I spotted this NSX from across the lot. I think it's getting cleaned. We got a wide body Mark V right here. Sheesh. Bro, this Lotus Evora GT is so clean, man. Goals for sure. Man, bag 6 is leaving, but look how high he makes my car look. Look at that. Alright, off he goes. It's clean, man. He only had it for 2 months, but he already has it bagged. Peace out, Eric. Clean ass RX-7. This RX-8 is probably one of my favorite cars that came to the meet. Super clean. We're going back to our sixes. We're very tired, hungry, and Ethan's still here, but we lost him in the way. But hopefully you guys like the video. We got out about 40 Mazdas or so. I think that's it, right, Justin? It was a really great turnout. There was about 30 to 40 Mazdas, a lot of variety actually too. We had Miatas, the 6s, the 3s, the RX-7s, the CX-9s. But hopefully you guys like this video. I don't know when their next meet is gonna be, but I hope that in the next meet we have even more Mazdas. But hopefully you like this video. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.